Hola, ¿cómo estás? Soy Abhishek. Bienvenidos. What it means? If you have already seen my previous lectures, then you know what it means. Hola, soy Abhishek. Bienvenidos. It means hello, I am Abhishek and most welcome. And ¿cómo estás means how are you? So I hope you are good because you are seeing these lectures. So today we will move forward with our next step. Before that, as like always, I wish you all the very best for success on your journey into this splendid language. So the word for two in Spanish is dos. 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 The D in Spanish is softer than of English. It's very soft. It's produced with the top of the tongue, not with the tip of the tongue. Top of the tongue against the gum ridge, not with the tip of the tongue as in English. Dosh. Your tongue must be on the gum ridge, top of the tongue. That's why I'm saying. So, how do you say two coffees? You will say dos cafés. Dos cafés. As you already know, coffee means cafe. And how do you say two Coca-Colas? You will say dos Coca-Colas. Dos Coca-Colas. So the point to note that you can see an S is added to make the noun plural. But there is a little bit difference. In English, when you add the S, you say Z, this kind of sign, like Z kind of sound. But in Spanish, you say S, this kind of sound. Like two Coca-Colas means dos Coca-Colas. Dos Coca-Colas. So how do you say two Coca-Colas and two coffee? Dos Coca-Colas y dos cafés. Dos Coca-Colas y dos cafés. So how do you say two coffees and two Coca-Colas, please? Dos cafés y dos Coca-Colas, por favor. That's it for today.